WL50 Plus and LP30-4 Plus time domain reflectometer and surge wave generator operation demonstration. 1. Instrument and component introduction. WL50 main unit. LV impulse line. Impulse current line. Stable arc line. Grounding cable. Pulse current coupler. Charger. LP30-4 surge wave generator. HV output cable. Protective grounding cable. Discharge rod. Discharge rod grounding cable. Power cord. 2. Confirm test cable's information. Check and confirm the test cable is in offline state. Keep the head and end terminals and the test cable floating. 3. TDR operation. The WL50 Plus time domain reflectometer, TDR, is designed for length testing and fault location on power cables. Ground the WL50 Plus device casing. Connect the LV impulse line to the WL50 Plus main unit signal port. Connect the red clip to the cable wire core. Connect the black clip to the cable ground wire or another wire core. Press and hold the power button to turn on the device. Set the measurement range to 1.2 to 1.5 times the total length of the cable. Set wave velocity. 4 medium voltage cable. Choose XLPE cable, 172 ms. 4 low voltage cable. Choose PE, 200 ms. In system settings, adjust the gain via Gain Plus or Gain Dash. Adjust the gain to around level 3 to 5, then press the test button. Obtain the low voltage pulse waveform. Adjust the cursor position via the knob. Press the knob to switch between red and green cursors, or move the cursor position directly via the touchscreen. Adjust the green cursor to the inflection point upwards from the screen of the starting waveform. Adjust the red cursor to the inflection point upwards from the screen of the reflected waveform. 4. Impulse current method application. The impulse current method is used to test high resistance faults in cables. It requires the WL50 Plus TDR and the LP30-4 Plus surge wave generator to be used together. Use a ground wire to ground the non-test phase of the faulty cable. Keep the test phase floating. Connect one end of the LP30-4 Plus protection grounding wire to the protection grounding post, and the other end to system ground. Connect the discharge rod to the discharge rod ground wire. Connect the other end to system ground. Insert the HV output line into the equipment output port. For single-phase fault, red clip connects to the faulty phase wire core. Black clip connects to the cable ground wire. For phase-to-phase fault, red and black clips connect to the 2 faulty phase wire cores respectively. The silver alligator clip is for repeated grounding. Connect to system ground. Connect the protection grounding wire. Connect one end of the impulse current line to the WL50 Plus host signal port, and the other end to the surge wave generator's coupling output. Set the measurement range to 3 to 5 times the total length of the cable. Set wave velocity. Choose XLPE cable, 172 ms. Adjust the gain to level 3 to 5. Then press the test button. Turn on the LP30-4 Plus power switch. Power indicator light illuminates. Confirm the operating mode is in the pulse setting. The discharge mode is set to single. Press the power button and press the high voltage button. Turn the voltage adjustment knob clockwise to increase voltage to the set value. Press the pulse trigger button. Observe the voltmeter for a significant kickback. Simultaneously, a crisp discharge sound should be heard from inside the instrument, indicating the fault point is fully broken down. Obtain the impulse current waveform. If the impulse current waveform is not ideal, Adjust the measurement range and gain again. Then press the test button to reacquire. Perform pulse triggering. Then perform impulse current waveform analysis. Place the red cursor at the starting point of the waveform descent. Place the green cursor at the protrusion before the descent. Obtain the fault distance, e.g. 99.76 meters. Quickly return the high voltage adjustment knob to 0. Press the pulse trigger button again to discharge. Turn off the power switch and remove the power cable. If testing is finished, use the discharge rod to discharge the cable before disconnecting all wiring. 5. Arc reflection method application. The arc reflection method is used to test high resistance faults in cables. It requires the WL50 TDR and the LP30-4 surge wave generator to be used together. HV unit wiring is the same as the impulse current method. Connect the protection grounding wire. Connect one end of the arc reflection line to the WL50 signal port, and the other end to the surge wave generator's arc reflection signal port. Turn on the power switch. Power indicator light illuminates. Set the working mode to low voltage pulse. Set the measurement range to 1.2 to 1.5 times the total length of the cable. Set wave velocity. 4 medium voltage cable. Choose XLPE cable, 172 ms. 4 low voltage cable. Choose PE, 200 ms. Click Test, and wait for the arc reflection. Simultaneously, switch the working mode to arc reflection. Press the high voltage on button. Turn the voltage adjustment knob clockwise to increase voltage to the set value. Press the pulse trigger button. Observe the voltmeter for a significant kickback. Simultaneously, a crisp discharge sound should be heard from inside the instrument, indicating the fault point is fully broken down. Obtain the arc reflection waveform. If the arc reflection waveform is not ideal, press the WL50 test button again. Continue to increase the voltage, and press pulse trigger to refresh the waveform. Place the green cursor at the far left starting position of the waveform. Place the red cursor at the downward protrusion of the red waveform, at the divergence point from the black waveform. Obtain the fault distance, e.g. 175.01 meters. Turn off the WL50 main unit and the surge wave generator. Please discharge the cable before disconnecting the wiring.